This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, April 30th. Stock index futures in the overnight trade advancing to some new highs for the move, at least in the S&P 500. However, pressure developing more recently. We did have jobless claims coming in at 3.84 million. The guess was for 3.5 million. Overall, though, in the last 2 or 3 weeks, we have seen a tendency for stock index futures to perform well on the news. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index lower for the 5th day as futures falling under an uptrend line on Monday. But I think now that the dollar index may stabilize now that the bearish news is out of the way, that being the Fed meeting yesterday and their statement, which seemed to be a bit on the dovish side. So look for a stabilizing dollar in this area. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, really not much reaction in those markets to the jobless claims report. The yield curve still remains positive. Moving over to the gold market, saw several articles that seemed to be a bit negative on the gold, and yet central banks continue to be big buyers as they have over the last 2.5 years. The 1700, 1705 level still appears to be holding. The long-term fundamentals for the gold market still appear to be very encouraging. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.